Come with us on a winter hike as a young family of 4.
We're walking over snow.
He stole my blanket. So cute. This is our favorite place to come in the summer, and our toddler gets in the creek he has since he was a baby. It's 30 degrees, so there are fewer things better than 30-degree crisp air.
Wow!
We're also supposed to get a really bad snowstorm tomorrow here in Ohio, so I just want to soak this in.
Stop! It's not snow!
Oh!
We're leaving, and as always, I'm the one who does not want to leave. I never want to leave.